Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make special conditional formatting in Excel. Why would you want to know how to make special conditional formatting in Excel? Well, maybe you want to format many data in the same column. So today I am going to show you how to make special conditional formatting in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay guys, now we have the name, product and unit. So let's mark our unit that we want to make format from. From home, conditional formatting, highlight cells. Let's start with less than. Let's make something like 16,000. Let's be red. Okay. Now anything less than 16,000 will be red. Let's mark again, conditional formatting. Let's go to greater than and 60,000 again, but with red, green. Okay, anything greater than 60,000 will be green. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to make special conditional formatting in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to make special conditional formatting in Excel, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.